Hello, welcome to Libra Philippines. So ito yung reading natin for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Take only what resonates. Sa mga hindi pa po nakaka-subscribe sa channel, pahit na lang na subscribe button, notification bell. Ma-appreciate ko lahat ng likes, comments, and shares. If you want, pwede ka magpa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Trader. Friend ko yun guys, hindi ako yun. Pero kung gusto mo, pwede ka sa kanya magpa-personal reading. Okay? Let's start your reading, Libra. This is for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Main energy. Love reading to ha. Pwede kang makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Kung makaka-relate ka, pwedeng hindi 100%. At pwedeng magkapalit-palit ang roles. Pwedeng kahit sinasabi kong ikaw, pwedeng person mo yun. Kahit sinasabi kong person mo, pwedeng ikaw yun. Pwedeng magkapalit-palit. Okay. Libra. The Hanged Man, King of Wands. This is very beautiful. Four of Cups. Well, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng you are, either ikaw itong naghihintay sa iba, or sa someone, na parang hindi ka na sure kung dadating or what, but you're still waiting, and King of Wands, nakikita natin positive ka pa rin dito eh. Or ikaw ito na alam mong may naghihintay pa rin sa'yo. Well, bahala ka na kung saan ka doon. But, whatever the case is, the Knight of Swords and the Two of Cups, well, this is very beautiful. Nakikita natin dito na yung person na ito, or whoever this person na hindi gumagawa ng action, soon enough, there's an action here with the Two of Cups. There's a possibility of a relationship, connection sa inyong person. Kung single ka, high chance of relationship. Okay? So, kasi kaya, alam mo yun, naghihintay ka pero yung iba, pwedeng naghihintay pero hindi na nag-expect. Kasi hindi ka na sure kung dadating eh. Or maybe you're just waiting, pero hindi naman to the point na talagang parang kung hindi mangyari, iiyakan mo na talaga. Parang maybe nangyari na yun. Maybe that thing already happened. Pero tapos ka na dun eh. Nasa era ka na ng parang dumating man or hindi, bahala lang. Bahala na. Okay lang. No? Nag-focus ka na lang maybe sa iyong sarili. With the Queen of Swords, this is you cutting off or yung pagtatanggal mo with regards sa mga bagay na yung pag-iisip lagi sa person na to, pagiging obsessed. Yung iba naman yung kina-cut off mo is yung mga taong alam mong hindi na nakakatulong or nakakabuti para sa'yo. So, kaya nagkakaroon ng actions eh sa kung sino ito or ano itong hinihintay mo. Okay? A person na kakonect mo pagdating sa love, sino ito? Kunin natin yung main energy niya. Person na kakonect mo sa love is the Knight of Cups, the Empress. Oh, wow. Well, i-clarify natin yan. What's with the Empress and the Knight of Cups? Seven of Wands. Ayan. Bottom of the deck is the Six of Cups. This could be a person in the past with the Six of Cups. Unfortunately lang, dito sa connection na ito, pwedeng may children or child na involved. May nakita ko doon kanina habang nag-shuffle. And dito sa energy na ito, nakukuha natin na pati yung child pwedeng madamay eh. But maybe you have a child or maybe yung siya may anak, pwedeng ganun. But whatever the case is, yung iba kung walang child, huwag mong kunin itong part na ito. I mean, there's a possibility of pati yun madamay. Like kung may mga ika-cut off na tao sa buhay mo or sa buhay niya, pwedeng pati sila. Like, syempre kung may anak, of course, may partner, may asawa, ano. There's a possibility of that. And then, pag kinut off si asawa or yung partner, pwedeng kasama pati yung anak. There's a possibility. But I can see an offer. Or, pag kinut off itong mga taong ito, you could be dealing with someone na may anak na. Kasi sa side natin yan nakuha eh. I mean, the 7 of Wands, I feel like mas marami siyang naunawaan because of that. Marami siyang natutunan, nalaman, naunawaan, inayos sa sarili niya because of that. Kumbaga somehow may mga naging lesson para sa kanya yung pagdating ng mga taong ito sa buhay niya. Okay? Pero yun pala is just a preparation for what is about to come na pwedeng may kinalaman sa inyong dalawa. Magugulat ka na sa pagdating nitong person to. Maybe yung iba sa inyo. Akala mo hindi ka ready but you're ready. Okay? Emotion ninyo sa isa't isa. You do have here the Judgment and the Moon. Dalawang major arcana. The 9 of Wands here. 6 of Pentacles. What's with the Judgment and the Moon? Yan. 10 of Swords. Queen of Wands. Iba sa inyo pwedeng, either ikaw mismo, nakakita tayo ng magandang pag-uusap dito. There's a lot of happiness, communication, the Sun. And pwedeng, kasi the Queen of Wands, I see this person as like an advisor. So pwedeng ikaw ito, nabibigyan ng advice. Whoever this Queen of Wands, there's a feminine energy here na pwedeng magbibigay ng advice sa'yo, na magising ka na sa katotohanan, you have to end this, no? Like waking up in a dream, no? Si Queen of Wands is pwedeng siya yung gagamitin ni universe para magising ka sa katotohanan. Na ano yung sitwasyon mo, ano yung hindi maganda dyan, ano yung mga dapat alisan, tanggalin. And or, this is you waking up sa sarili mo, na masyado ka natulog ng matagal ng mahabang panahon, and then ngayon para kang sinampal. Ano ba yung sitwasyon na hindi okay para sa'yo? The Sun and the Moon, some of you, very favorable. If you're dealing with the soulmate, a twin flame, well, I can see a waking up of the connection, waking up of, like, kung sino yung natutulog sa connection mo, nagkakaroon ng awakening. Kung ikaw ito nagkaroon ka ng awakening, realization, breakthrough, epiphany, na-realize mo, ay ito pala yung person para sa akin. Bakit hindi ko to nakita noon? So, pwede nagkaroon ka ng ganon. And or, if hindi ikaw ito, that could be your person. Nagkakaroon ng awakening. 6 of Pentacles, yeah. I like that energy. With the 9 of Wands. Nakakita tayo dito ng mga biglaang pangyayari sa connection ninyo ng person na ito na magkakaroon ng growth or level up because of this. What will happen in the future? In the near future for the both of you. Emotion ninyo sa isa't isa, there's a lot of pagkagusto. Well, hindi yun madidenay. Kanina ko pa na-feel yan. 3 of Swords, actually, hindi ako nagbabasa ng reverse. But this time, I will read this 3 of Swords in reverse. Why? Because naramdaman ko yung energy ng reversal doon. The Hierophant, 3 of Swords. Gusto kong kunin ito as a energy or extra message yung the Star kasi nakuhanan ko ng energy yan. The Chariot is at the bottom of the deck. Wow. 10 of Cups. 6 of Swords. Ace of Pentacles. Wow. Alam mo yan, Ace of Pentacles is about new beginning. In the near future, alam mo yung Pentacles is like something na material. So, pwedeng there's a new beginning na mamamaterialize sa inyong dalawa. 10 of Cups, this is something na may kinalaman sa connection ninyo. There's a completion. There's like with the number 10, whole number yan. It's a number which completes the, yung pinaka number system na 1 to 10. No, it's the ending card. It's the ending number. So, nakakita tayo ng ending dito with regards sa Six of Swords. Maybe may mga bagay na naging mahirap alisan, tanggalin. But, I can see that this is like, kailangan tanggalin, alisan. And the Three of Swords, this is showing us a third party situation, pero pwedeng with the in reverse, pwedeng mawala. With the Hierophant, hindi naman siya basta nawala, na walang nangyari. Pwedeng nawala, pero marami ka natutunan with the Hierophant. Or, itong person na ito, nawala sa buhay niya, pero maraming natutunan. And with the Star, I'm seeing this as an extra number, or an extra message for you. The moon, the sun, nagpakita, and now the star. Diba? So, ito, maaaring malapit nang mangyari yung mga bagay na gusto mo talagang mangyari sa buhay mo, na pwedeng in the past akala mo hindi mo to gusto, but definitely gusto mo pala. And or vice versa. Pwedeng ikaw ito, or siya ito, na feeling niya hindi niya ito gusto noon, but na gustong gusto niya pala. And the Chariot, this will happen fast, mabilis na pangyayari ang malapit na mangyari sa inyo. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all, and bye-bye.